to another Smoking Metal CarFun video. It's your boy CeeLo. Just pulled back up at home and already got a new package for my new truck. So already here on the porch, which is awesome. So yeah, so now we getting ready to see what's in it and go from there. Cause it's one part, I got it. I'm getting another part for the back of the truck, because honestly, the back of the truck is the part that needs work. So, that being said,
No.
we're going to hop out and we're going to go ahead and open that package up. But it's something for the back of the ugly truck. The rest of the truck. But, so y'all know, yes, we made it home from picking the truck up. After driving 2 hours and 45 minutes, coming through the back roads, up hills, through the mountains, and it made it. So therefore, it's a good, decent truck. Can't complain, especially after driving up them hills through the mountains. So, first thing that we're gonna start working on with this truck is the body. So take care of the body of it. And getting this all taken care of, sanded down. I'm gonna put the patch piece on here, and we're gonna see just how far the new cover is gonna cover it up. Plus, we're getting the new exhaust pipe put on, cause that's the old one. It was broke.
It was a dual.
It wasn't on it, just so y'all know. So we drove home a little loud.
Just a little loud.
And this side, that gotta be done. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and cover this all up until we get our new bed. Because we're getting a new bed for the truck. But until then, we're gonna make the little bit of the truck look good until we get our new bed. But underneath of the truck, the frame and the chassis of the truck is fine. It's not rusted out underneath.
You can actually see where it broke at. Where it's...
Oh, the pipe? Yeah, I told you. It's right back there.
Get the camera.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, and then, you know, of course you got the bed rust. But
weird items.
Don't pull that out. And then you got, we all clean underneath of there. It's just the bed, y'all. It's just the bed. And you clean underneath there. This is what the truck looked like after they cleaned it out. But yeah, I gotta.
The seat is not torn.
I gotta do my cleaning to it. So
seats are actually still fine.
This is where we at. This is the starter. This is our starter truck for our little small
business
that we getting ready to start. Plus, it's gonna be the hauler for the Magnum as well, so that way when I don't want to drive it to a show and it's far, I can actually haul it with the truck. It's the 1500 Ram, dual exhaust, 4x4. It has 5.9 in it, and we getting ready to do a whole lot of upgrades. A lot of this is getting ready to change. The whole truck is getting ready to change. It's getting ready to look like my truck. This look like their truck, you know what I mean? My truck is what it's gonna look like. So, just like the car, whole new look. It's my car. I made it look like my car. So, from where it was when I first got it, big difference. But for a little cheap buy real quick, can't complain, can't be mad about it. But just give y'all a little up close and personal view of the truck. Nothing expensive, project truck, like I told y'all. It's a truck I wanted when I was younger, but this one we're gonna work on and build it up, and then see where we can go from there, man. I think it's gonna be fun. I really do. But let's see what we already ordered for this damn thing. I know y'all like, oh, we know what it is. Probably know what it is. Y'all probably do know what it is. But I ordered them so that way I know just how much I need to do on here. So
You want to put it, take it in front of the truck?
yeah, I'll take it away. Oh, good shit, good shit. Yep. Bring this over here. Like this. Right. Always manage to buy something. Something. So, we got the fender flares. So, these are the rear fender flares. So, this is for the driver's side, passenger side. Right back, let's see. Just how much is this going to cover up? Is it going to cover up the ugliness?
Hopefully. Not all of it, but some of it, definitely.
Cover up the ugliness.
Only issue's gonna be that dent.
I worked the dent out, but the main concern was we won't be able to cover this up. That was my concern. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Ain't gonna cover up a lot, but it'll cover it up enough. So, that's where we headed with this. We're gonna cover up some of it, not a great deal, but it'll look better until we get our big. So that's where we headed with that. Now we're gonna see how the passenger side gonna look.
Driver. You mean driver's side, correct?
Yeah, driver's side. Yep, driver's side.
You got a little close to personal there.
Huh?
I got a little close on that one.
Yeah, trash bed.
For now. This side covers a lot of it. This side covers a lot. What I'm not liking about recording right now is I'm stepping in a whole lot of mud. What I'm not liking about recording right now is I'm stepping in a whole lot of mud.
I apologize, son. I apologize.
I mean, a new pair of shoes after this.
So, yep, that's where we're going with this. So hopefully it's gonna look a lot better, y'all. Stay with the end. So let's see what the passenger side.
Front passenger or driver?
Driver's side.
This is easy to put them on, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah. See that? Both. And then you both.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to put on, isn't it?
Yep. So we're gonna put these back in the wrapper.
Stop.
Wow, man.
Cause I already waved.
Nobody. Hey, mama.
Hi. Don't open it too much. Don't open it too much. Okay?
Alright, so I got another video.
You done ripped it.
But, yep. Alright. Putting this stuff back in the box.
Putting the stuff back in the box.
Yeah. So, I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. This is what I got going on. A new project. Something for the business. You know, don't have to start out with nothing major, brand new. You know, gonna be hauling and empty out houses and doing scrapping. So, it's a good start truck. So, I like it. I don't know if y'all gonna like it, but I like it. I know I got work to do to the bed. That's usually with most of these. You gotta get a new bed put on because this is what you go through. You go through rust damage, rust problems. But oh yeah, let me show y'all. See, front we all good there. In the back we all good here. I got my tools in there already. I got my cane in. I got my cane in here already.
You need to get one that matches that now.
But
There's
yeah.
keys in the door.
Huh?
There's keys in the door.
Yeah, I know it's keys in the door. But yeah, and I'll let y'all hear it without the exhaust. It needs that exhaust put on it. But she starts right up.
I ain't even gonna step back there. It's gonna blow your.
She loud enough. I ain't gotta put my foot on the gas. That we had to do today, so the truck stayed parked through the dusty Escalade.
Escalade.
It's time for her to get a bath. The Escalade, as my son says. So if my wife watches it, I apologize. Your son corrected me.
Mine can work.
Something quick, nothing serious. Just something to have more fun with. And something to get cussed out for even more because, you know, I tapped the gas and my wife is at work. She gonna say to me later, "You outside?
They called every last bit of your face when you did that too.
You outside revving that engine on that truck?" Yeah. And you know I'm at work. So, yep. So more vehicles, loud vehicles to get cut off.
By her and neighbors.
We ain't worried about neighbors. That don't do nothing but make me get even louder.
If you haven't realized.
Alright. Now I got something that's louder than the Magnum. But I'm going to take my box from the house, my goodies for the day. So, my bad, y'all. I really forgot to show y'all under the hood. My son reminded me. He's going to be a better YouTuber than me. If that's what he ever do, but yeah. Truck stop works without a problem.
Unlike that.
Engine light on. But she goes to the shop on Monday and get inspected. Even though she's already inspected, but I take her on Monday to go get it inspected. But So y'all can see, engine pretty decent. Needs to be cleaned up in here, but all in all, I really can't complain about it. Fire's right up, no knocking as y'all saw. She drove down the highway without a problem. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Cause I'm gonna have fun with this truck. Hey, did y'all see this? They painted some eyebrows across the headlights on the fender. So of course, I gotta paint it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix all of that. Get rid of all
Paint
of
jobs to come.
Yes, yes. Can't ride around with no brushed eyebrows. What kind of shit? But I appreciate Gyro for hooking me up with a good deal on the truck. And just so y'all know, I'm talking about no food. I'm talking about my Spanish homie. They got a shop down in Harrisburg called JG's Auto Service. They sell rims, tires, all of the above, man. Y'all in that part of the town, go holler at them. Harrisburg, PA. They on Facebook as well. I don't remember the number by heart, to be honest with y'all about that shit. So, catch y'all on the next one.